Our sophisticated ladies will now dance our modern hula. They do appear very mature for their age, but still, they're little darlings. They're doing for you a very sophisticated hula.
Hands on your hips, do your hula dips. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town. Swing your partner round, soon you cover ground. Sophisticated hula is the talk of the town. The native hula maidens, they love to dance. They do their dancing to the beating of drums. And now sophisticated hula's your chance. So start your dancing while the melody runs. Dance to the music.